Hey, welcome back to another QMark video. So in this video, we're going to be exploring this tool called Phoneinfoga. So this tool is a recon tool where this is more often used to get the general information about any number that you will be providing to the tool. At the end of the day, even this tool uses a method of Google docking. It has some preset template and docking that has been already inserted in this tool, which makes your work much more easier in this recon study. Hey, without getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see. And I got a recent anonymous call. I have saved this number. Let's use this tool to find the information about these numbers in this video. Hey, for this video demonstration, I'm using my Proxmox server in which I have installed Parrot OS in it. So let me open the Firefox and type Phoneinfoga GitHub and press enter. Now open the first link. So once you open this link, this is the tool. Now we don't want this version of the tool. We need the previous version. So just click here to go to the previous versions. So here you can see all the previous version of this tool called Phoneinfoga. Now here we need this version of it, so just download this tool, Phoneinfoga Linux for 64-bit architecture. Once you are downloaded, so now we need to extract this tool. Just do a right click and extract here. So once the file is extracted, now we need to right click and open this in the terminal. So now we are inside the terminal. This is an additional step what I'm doing. I'm just copying my tool to a bin folder where I'll be using very often this tool. Okay, you can skip this, that is not required. Now let's run this tool. To run this tool, we need to just press // and then type Phoneinfoga and press enter. Now here you can see the usage, how to use the tool, and now here you can see an example, and here you can see all the additional flags to get the help menu. Now let's run this tool again. So just type Phoneinfoga and then space scan and tag n for the new number. Now I need to provide a number to this tool. So the number is +1 8 00 20 95 and 85. Now this is a call what I got today morning. So here you can see some basic information about the number, like is it a valid number and is it like which country is from. And now here you can see some of the results what it was able to find from Google. Let me clear. So this is how you find an information about any number. Now here let me do another quick search. Just type Phoneinfoga, scan, tag n and new number. Provide the number 91750 7245 and 858. So this is another number what I got called from today. So now if I press enter, now here this tool has run and this tool got me some information, and you can see this is from India. Now here you can see the first results, as it is showing me it is a call support of Bajaj Finance. So now let's click this link. Now here you can see the number has been used, call Bajaj. Now this is a WhatsApp support chat for a Bajaj Finance number, I think. Now here also we can see another result showing this is a Bajaj Finance number. So likewise you can find any information about the number. Let me clear the screen out. Now let's search for another number. So just Phoneinfoga, scan and type en and then search for the number. Just provide the number what you want to search for. Now just after providing the number, press enter. Now here you can see the tool has finished its job. Now these are all the results what this tool has given me. Now let me open the first number. Now here you can see this is a Google Pay customer support number. So this is a Google Pay customer support number. This tool has found this information. Now let me clear this results out. Let me run on another number. So just Phoneinfoga, scan new and then just type the number and press enter. Now this is another number. Now let's open any link and let's see what type of results we got from here. Now okay, so I'm not robot obviously, so let me skip this. This is not cycle. Yeah, I can see the traffic light, verify it. Yeah, now I'm a human. Now let's see. So this is a number and this number belongs to Amazon. Okay, perfect. So this is something like an other number that Amazon uses to communicate with the customers or something like that. Let me open this Facebook result. What is it showing? Now here you can see, wow, today I received a call from Amazon, this number, and they said 150 points. So basically I'm able to get all the information regarding this number in online. Okay, now this is how you use this tool. So basically this is a level 1 recon tool to find information about number that's available in online. So there are more tools to find the location and other IP stuff. So in the future videos, I'll surely make some tutorial videos about that. Since we are getting blocked from YouTube for showing some raw contents that we are not supposed to show, so we are optimizing our content. If you want to have any word with us personally, you are always welcome to do that.
Hey, hope you like this video. If you do so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends. If you want me to work on any future content, do leave your ideas in the comment section. If you want to chat with me personally, yeah, I'm available in Instagram, bm@qmarkonline, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun, happy hacking. Bye bye, take care.